Hey everyone! Thank you so much for joining me for this video. I am so happy that you're here. I want to share with you in this video one of my favorite sticker shops and how I use the stickers. So if you are new to the planning community, you might have not heard of Paperie planning yet. But if you've been part of the planning community on Instagram for a couple of months, I'm sure that you have seen on my feed that I have been sharing my love for papery planning. So I discovered Genevieve's shop last year and I reached out to her because I had a few questions because I was looking for some custom scripts. And I reached out to her. She answered all of my questions. Her customer service was amazing. So she gained a loyal customer from there on. And I am so excited because I was chosen to be part of her PR team. So if you are watching this video in May of 2021, I do have a PR code for her so you can save, and you would also get one of the PR freebies, which I will share with you. So this is my PR freebie, so you would get that too. So I will link the code below. So if you want to check out the shop and save some money, you can do so by using that code. Okay, so let's get started with this video. So I want to share with you my papery planning sticker collection and also my latest order from her and how I use those stickers in my planner. So I do use these stickers all the time, and there's a few things that I love about this shop. But first and foremost is the fact that you can order customizable scripts. So let me share with you my sticker collection. I have them here in little piles because I do keep some in my different planners, and that just makes it easy because I have all the stickers that I need for my daily planning in here, and for example for my reading journal, my weekly, and then my personal journal. So I will share with you how I use those, but let's get started with this little stack here. Okay, so I use this stack in my daily planner. So let me pull out one of the spreads and let me show you. Okay, so here's one. So in this spread, I have used the stickers for week of meal plan schedule, top 3, and to-dos in this spread. So these are the ones that I have here. So I have the months, the minimal months, which I use these to label at the top, the beginning of the month. I have notes, and this is in the color Rose Clay. I do pick all of them the same color just so they can be cohesive. But if you do decide to pick different colors, they all blend very well together, so they go well. She's been very intentional in the way that she sets up her color schemes, and that way it won't be like two totally different colors. So this one's top 3 to do in Mademoiselle. This was a freebie that she included, and it's a very light cream color. Schedule and to do. So when I placed this order, I was very intentional for what I wanted, and as you can see, these are the stickers that I use on a regular basis in my daily. So I really love the fact that you can kind of figure out what you need. Let me see if I have another one here. Figure out what you need and just have her customize those scripts for you. So these are also from her shop. Let me see. Here, this is a complete spread. We're using her stickers. So schedule, top 3, to do, schedule, top 3, to do, and note to self. So that just makes, for me at least, planning much, much easier because I just keep all the stickers that I use for this specific planner in here. Now let me show you a few of the other ones that I have, and I use these on my weekly layout. So these are mauve. So these words, again, I've been very intentional. I have planned them out because these are the words that I usually use in my weekly planner. So this is my other little stack. This stack is kind of like extras, so I do have several of to-dos, so I don't keep this in any of my planners. I just keep it in my drawer. And oh, here's the difference. So she does offer matte and she offers glossy. So as you can see, the glossy, the color comes a little bit more darker than the matte. I did order, when I did place my very first order with her, I made sure to purchase both so I could see them in person. And for me personally, I prefer the matte. So I have here some glossy, home, to do, notes, week of, and this is in the color rose, and then here are the matte in the color mauve. Meal plan, home, and notes. So these are just some of my extras, and I keep them tucked away in my sticker drawer. And then here are some of the recent ones. So let me show you. These are some of her recent releases, the color schemes. These are just clear check marks, champagne. So she does offer also functional dots and in different colors. I cut a few of them out just to have them smaller in my pockets in my planner. But they come like this, in a sheet like this with the name at the top. Chiffon, I love this color. As you can see, I'm running out. I need to reorder. So here I keep the dots. And I do have a few sets of dots in my planner. And she also has dewdrops. So as you can see, all the colors go very well together. Wheat, nude. This is some of her new releases. So these are the same as the clear ones that you saw, but with color, which I love. And here you have another sample of the glossy boxes, and then cotton, which is a very light cream, but you are able to see it once you put it on paper. Okay, so let me share with you my latest order from Paperie Planning, and then I will talk to you a little bit about the PR freebies. But I am very excited to be opening up this new order because this is from her latest release. So I have the correction tape, I have my sticker order here, this beautiful functional ruler, and my favorite marker, the Tombow N89. So I have several of these, but you can't have enough of these Tombow markers. So here is the Tombow. Let me show you how it writes. So I'm absolutely obsessed with this color. It is so pretty. I use it all the time. And then it has the marker, the thin marker on the other end. So this is the first product that I got, the Tombow N89. Then the ruler, which is a beautiful minimal ruler. Let's open it. And here it is. Beautiful ruler. And I'm gonna place it right over here next to the other one. And then the correction tape. If you do see that a few of her items are out of stock, just make sure to follow her on Instagram because she will restock these. And her last release was super successful, so I believe that last time I checked, this little guy was out of stock. She also has these pencil boxes and these pens. I have the white one here. These are from one of her latest release. We're gonna put that there, and then the Tombow, so you can see, and let's put the ruler here. So you can see that everything fits nicely in the pencil box that she also has available, and you can just stick it in your purse, in your planner bag, or just keep it on top of your desk. Okay, so now let's go to the stickers. So this is my latest order, and I wanted these stickers for my reading journal. So I have switched from an A5 reading journal that I was using last year to an A6. And let me show you what I've been doing. So I am back planning with my reading journal. I'm doing 2020. So I've been using these little dots and these little corners, but I wanted to change it up for 2021. And instead of me writing out genre, published, format, pages, and notes, I wanted them to be with Genevieve's beautiful scripts. So I placed my order, and here, as you can see, genre in rose clay, published, rose clay, format, rose clay, and then pages, rose clay. Oh, and notes. So these are for my reading journal. And then I am part of a challenge, a reading challenge from the Facebook group Bloom Where You're Planted. So then I will just use this if that book that I read is part of the challenge. So I am gonna go ahead, now that I've opened them, I'm just going to place these right here and keep them handy, ready to go in my reading journal. And then I also placed, from her newest color scheme, which is grays, I placed an order for my weekly. So I started using the Wonderland 222, and this is how a weekly looks. Let me show you. So this is how a weekly looks. And I wanted to order something very similar to the color scheme of the planner, so I went ahead and I went with all the grays. So like I was telling you before, even if you order different colors, they're very similar. Once you put them on the paper, you'll be able to tell the subtle difference. And I ordered Self-Care in Simply Gray, Stone, To Do AM, To Do PM, To Do in Cement, Taupe for Meetup, and then light gray in Appointments. And I have to say that for me, my favorite of these, I love the taupe. I think the taupe matches perfectly with the color of the Wonderland 222. So I think that I will place another order, and I will do just like I did before, all of one color, and it would be taupe. But I absolutely love the other colors, and I will be using them in this planner. And then I ordered different in chiffon priority, tasks, and highlight in rose clay because I am using them for my monthly. So I just started pre-planning my my June monthly. So I will use the stickers that you saw me, like tasks or highlights here, and then priorities, I will also put it here. So I actually bought those thinking of this type of spreads, and I will be using these. So this is my latest order from Paperie Planning, which I absolutely love everything. Thank you so much. And here are the freebies. So let me talk to you about the freebies. So there's several ladies in the PR team, myself, Melissa, Christina, Amanda, Maria, Rosie, Jasmine, and Kylie's. I'm pretty sure I'm not forgetting anyone. If so, I probably have one of those freebies tucked away in one of my planners that I'm using. And then she included another one of my freebies. So every time you purchase from Paperie Planning and you use one of our codes, you will receive the freebie that you use from that code. And you can also order all of these in a little bundle. So these are also available as, as stickers purchase in her shop. And then here, let me not forget, I ordered one more thing. I almost forgot. So these are the minimal dots, and I did order these. They're the date dots. But again, because she's so amazing, I wanted them for tracking the number of books. So I just asked her if she could do you know, instead of ending in 31, if we could keep going to 71. So let's see if I read 71 books this year. Look, she puts books I've read. Oh my goodness, I love this. I just noticed this. So yeah, look how cute. So I'm gonna use these. I will show you a little bit more of my reading journal once it's all set up and ready to go, but you'll see how I'm gonna be using these, but it's just, you know, a list and the books that I've read. So let's see how many books I read. I think I'm up to like 15 so far, so I don't know if I'll make it to 71, but I will try. But this is my order. This is my Paperie planning order. I absolutely love everything. The shipping is super fast, great customer service. I highly recommend you check out Genevieve's shop. She does customs like you saw, and then she has also dots and dewdrops and some wonderful accessories. So if you are interested and you want to save a little bit of money, don't forget to use my code Eat Pray Plan 10. Eat Pray Plan 10 is my code, and you will not be disappointed. I love Genevieve and her shop, so check her out. But this is my sticker collection from Paperie Planning. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out to me. And if you have any specific questions about her shop, Genevieve is awesome at replying messages. So shoot her a DM on Instagram. Okay, you guys, well, thank you so much for tuning in. And don't forget to like and subscribe so you don't miss my next video, because soon I will share with you my entire sticker collection, my minimal sticker collection, which is not so minimal anymore, and how I am storing it. Okay, you guys have a wonderful week, and I will catch you on my next video. Bye.